Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you'll be doing well. So, welcome back to yet another lecture. After the revision, we are going to resume our lessons with the unsolved comprehension exercise number 1. So, let's get started with reading first. About 60 years ago, the question of choosing a profession was not taken up seriously. तकरीबन 60 साल पहले कोई भी प्रोफेशन चूज़ करने का सवाल सीरियसली नहीं लिया जाता था. A son generally followed the trade of his father, यानी जो भी फादर का प्रोफेशन होता था बेटा भी उसी प्रोफेशन को अडॉप्ट करता था. Nowadays, one can take up a trade that one likes, लेकिन आजकल कोई भी इंसान वो बिज़नेस इख्तियार कर सकता है जो वो पसंद करता है. The student who make the right choice of profession are always वो स्टूडेंट्स जो कि हमेशा राइट चॉइस करते हैं अपने प्रोफेशन के बारे में, वो हमेशा सक्सेसफुल होते हैं. For the right choice of a profession, there should be some definite aim. कोई definite aim होना चाहिए, आपके अंदर कोई प्लान होना चाहिए किसी भी प्रोफेशन को राइटली चॉइस करने के लिए. The students who do not have any definite aim suffer a lot in the end as they have a difficulty in finding employment. वो तालिबे इल्म जिनका कोई definite aim नहीं होता उनको आखिर में आकर बहुत ही मुश्किल उठानी पड़ती है finding employment, नौकरी हासिल करने के लिए. In choosing a profession, the teacher and the parents play a very important part. कि किसी भी प्रोफेशन को चूज़ करने के लिए आपके पेरेंट्स या टीचर एक बहुत अहम किरदार अदा करते हैं. द टीचर कीप्स एन आई ऑन हिज प्यूपल्स, ही स्टडीज़ देयर हैबिट्स. एक टीचर जो होता है वो अपने शागिर्दों के ऊपर आंख रखता है यानी नज़र रखता है और उनकी आदत के बारे में जानता है. सो ही कैन गाइड हिज प्यूपल्स टू द राइट पाथ ऑफ लाइफ, ताकि वो अपने शागिर्दों को गाइड कर सके सही रास्ते पर चलने के लिए. So that was the passage and these are the questions. Now we are going to answer the following questions. So dear students, as I have been telling you in every comprehension that how we answer the questions of a comprehension passage, we directly not to answer the questions, we have to relate the answer to the questions, and this is for what we are getting marks. So the first question we have is, what were the conditions about the choice of a profession 60 years ago? Choosing a profession was not taken seriously about 60 years ago. The next question we have is, why did the people not choose the profession seriously? लोग seriously अपने profession को क्यों नहीं choose करते थे? A son generally followed the trade of his father. That is why people did not choose the profession seriously. Now you can see in your comprehension passage, the only sentence is given, a son generally followed the trade of his father. Now the rest of the sentence we have added to the answer to transform the answer according to the question. So this is what I am going to teach you, or this is what I want to teach you. And I want you to learn that you have to transform the answer. The next question we have is, can a student of the present times choose his profession freely? So the answer is obviously yes. A student of the present times can choose his profession rightly and freely. And the next question we have is, what is the advantage of a right choice of a profession? कि अगर आप एक right choice कर लेते हैं अपने profession में तो आपको उसका क्या फ़ायदा होता है? Achievement of success is the advantage of a right choice of a profession. How can a student choose his profession rightly? कि एक तालिब इल्म किस तरीके से अपना profession सही choose कर सकता है? There should be some definite aim for a student to choose his profession rightly, कि उसका कोई proper aim होना चाहिए अपने profession को rightly choose करने में. The next question we have is, what will be the difficulty of a student who is reading without a definite aim? एक ऐसा तालिब इल्म जो बग़ैर किसी एम के पढ़ रहा होता है, उसके लिए क्या मुश्किल पेश आ सकती है? So we have studied already that there will be difficulty in finding employment for a student who is reading without aim. And the last question we have is, how can a teacher help his pupils in making a choice of profession? किस तरह से स्टूडेंट्स जो है टीचर जो है वो हेल्प कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट की एक राइट प्रोफेशन को चूज़ करने में? द आंसर इज़, द टीचर कीप्स एन आई ऑन हिज pupils. He studies their habits so he can guide and help his pupils in making a right choice of a profession. So that is it for today, dear students. We have done our first comprehension today. We'll be doing our second comprehension unsolved in the next lecture. So till then, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.